Welcome to our Power Supply Showdown. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison between the Cooler Master MWE Gold 850 V3 and the Seasonic Prime TX-1600 Noctua Edition. Both of these power supplies are designed for high-performance systems, but they cater to different needs and budgets. The Cooler Master offers an impressive 850W with 80+ gold efficiency, while the Seasonic boasts a whopping 1600W with 80+ titanium efficiency. Let's explore their features and see which one comes out on top. When it comes to wattage, the Cooler Master MWE Gold 850 V3 provides a solid 850W, which is sufficient for most gaming rigs. However, the Seasonic Prime TX-1600 takes it a step further, with an impressive 1600W output, making it ideal for users with multiple high-end components or those looking to future-proof their systems. This significant difference in power output can greatly influence your choice depending on your system's requirements. Efficiency is crucial for power supplies, and here we see a clear distinction. The Cooler Master MWE Gold 850 V3 is rated at 80+ gold, ensuring high efficiency and lower energy costs. In contrast, the Seasonic Prime TX-1600 boasts an 80+ titanium rating, which is even more efficient, providing better performance and potentially saving you more on your electricity bill in the long run. This efficiency can also lead to less heat generation, which is an important factor for system longevity. Noise levels can significantly affect your computing experience, especially in quiet environments. The Cooler Master MWE Gold 850 V3 features a 0 RPM mode, allowing the fan to remain off under low loads, resulting in silent operation. On the other hand, the Seasonic Prime TX-1600 is equipped with a Noctua fan, renowned for its ultra-quiet performance. This PSU is designed for near-silent operation, making it an excellent choice for users who prioritize a quiet computing experience. In conclusion, both the Cooler Master MWE Gold 850 V3 and the Seasonic Prime TX-1600 Noctua Edition have their strengths. The Cooler Master is a budget-friendly option with solid performance for most users, while the Seasonic is a premium choice for those who demand the best in efficiency and quiet operation. Depending on your needs and budget, either of these power supplies could be the right fit for your system. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.